This is Bobby D with Mainly Woods Adventures, and I'm here with Catfish and Red, and we're going to try and catch some trout or bass or whatever kind of fish we can catch here at Rock Haven Lake. So we'll bring you back when we get set up.
And we're doing some ice fishing.
Well, I would hope so.
Go to your left, Dad, a little bit.
It looks intimidating, I know. But I'll show you. About an inch here, so that's fine.
As long as you get right here, you're good. So we managed to get things set up. We got ourselves a couple things in. We're putting some stuff in from the fishing trouts. Got ourselves a little hideaway from the wind. Pretty windy out here. And yeah. Let's see. Right here.
I don't know if we'll get that one trap. Is that one trap? Yeah, drill more down this way. We have a window that can see this side. We can't see there. Drill one more this way, Dad. Dad. Hey! Drill one this way. Yeah. Around here.
one
We
inside
got
the tent.
one more. So we got enough flags for you too? Enough holes?
You got that little hole?
Okay, so we got another ladle.
Next little tray for prep.
So you know how to set that up? So we're all set on the holes.
Yeah, we're all set with holes.
The only thing that's left is out.
Okay.
Mine is right there with the sonar.
So we cut an extra hole anyhow, right?
What?
We cut an extra hole anyhow, right?
So that one's your trap, right?
Yeah,
And then there my little sonar has a hole,
yeah.
and that's where this would be though.
And where did we still cut an extra hole, didn't we? No. You sure?
There's that hole, and then all the other holes are off the trap end.
All right. I thought we cut one out there.
No, we didn't. We haven't gone out there.
Well, I thought we did. Just
I might
now.
make a couple extra holes just to see if I can
Jig?
find any perch.
Yeah, we'll use your thing to jig. You cut little holes with yours.
Oh, oh shit.
Lost your lid, did you?
Oh yeah. It's windy.
Wicked.
Wicked. Yeah. Yesterday I was out and I had the sonar inside and I had the trap in a hole next to it inside as well. I picked up my sonar, I was getting my stuff together, and then the trap went off. I got a little perch.
Where'd you go?
It was Isinglass
Isinglass?
Pond,
Yeah.
but like I said, it's like that at the edge, but worse. So I get to the edge and I'm standing there like, man, how am I gonna get across? Alright, last one for trap.
You might even get your trout on that. I got some big bait. I don't think the trout will wrap it.
Never know.
Up some good grub right here.
Got some venison heart cooking over the propane stove. Right?
What are we gonna put it on?
That's a good question.
We don't have a plate.
We got a bag right here. We can just throw it
I've
on.
got a paper bag.
Paper bag. You want to close that door? You can. This is pop after.
Hey guys, how's the venison?
Doing great. Tastes great.
What we got cooking right now. I think it's on a low flame. We might be out, and we have some more meat right there. So far, no hits.
Oh, we can always share it with the
What?
guys in the shack.
Oh yeah. They got a flame. They got a fire going in there. Might be done. Some of
Probably.
I just flipped them, and some of them are pretty dark looking.
I'm Red, cameraman. Yeah.
Cameraman, yeah,
Yeah.
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 Spit and spit.
Hey guys, we're back. We didn't
Yeah,
really
we got
catch
a big
anything,
deer.
so.
How come-
Alright, Dad. Want to say anything?
Yeah, this is Bobby D. Red, and Catfish with Mainly Woods Adventures from Rock Haven Lake in Newfield, West Newfield.
The quote of today, 2 Corinthians 9:8.
And
Go ahead.
God is able to make all grace abound to you, so that in all things, at all times, having all that you need, you will abound in every good work.
Hello, YouTube. We are here today on day 2, and we didn't catch anything the last bit of the video, but we are over on Lake Arrowhead, and we're trying to catch some fish here. So, yeah.
Hey, this is Bobby D and Red, ice fishing for whatever bites.
Last part of the video was another day. We didn't catch anything.
We had a flag and 2 bait steals, so.
So today it's just me. It's just
Bobby D and Red.
Bobby D and Red.
Catfish had to work.
Yeah, and this is the second day. Second part of the first of this video.
Seeing if we can catch anything. Perch, pickerel, bass, crappie, whatever.
I have like 50% on my phone, so. It would be nice if they made GoPros having longer lasting batteries. Or even there's that, like a solar panel GoPro.
Yeah.
Where like if it dies, you can recharge it through solar panel line.
Yeah, I'm sure they have them. Mine won't work. My Jackery solar panel.
Yeah.
I don't like this to charge your cell phone. It worked great today. It was out in the sun. I don't know how cold it would charge to. We have to switch out that evening power of diesel.
Switch out the what?
Evening power of diesel. You can't get the thing to it. So do you think we ought to try and cut another hole, or do you think it's waited long enough?
Do you really want to cut 2 more holes?
It would use up more bait. We should have luck in this cove. You know?
The spots that I X'd out, do you think they're good spots, or
I don't know.
I think I could have picked better?
So what it is, what it is. Luck of the draw.
Are they spaced out good enough?
Yeah. Some people put them right together.
We got the trifecta right here.
I couldn't go up and get the chip and we could chip some more holes. Chip them. Start them with this, and cause I got a little hole started over there, but then I could chip down and get your ice fish.
I think you need to retire this thing and get a new one.
No, it just needs a carburetor adjustment because it wants to run. It cut what, 3-4 holes. So it does run.
Maybe it's the way we're laying it. That's what's grounding.
No, you can't lay it towards the gas tank because the gas tank will flood out the carburetor. You always lay them to the plug. What sucks is we got one behind us and you can't tell if it's going to go off or not.
Just need to turn to the right.
I saw that other one and didn't notice it. I don't know.
Well, if you're that worried, you can always sit right there and look that way.
I always thought I had one behind us.
Think about it. I probably set the.
Got up at 9 o'clock and the alarm clock didn't go off until 10:30, and I just laid there until 11:30.
So when you set those traps, you put it on the soft area, or do you put it on the hard, rough area?
What do you mean? One's for hair trigger, one's not. One's for wind and one's not for wind.
Oh.
If it doesn't go off in the wind, then you did it right. Well, I should try and cut another hole. I keep thinking she'll cut some more. Because that's how it used to run. It would cut some holes and then it wouldn't. That's why Hank gave it to me. He gave up on it. It just needs a little tweaking, that's all. I wish I had a screwdriver. I could do it right now. The worst thing is it isn't running, so it needs to be fixed anyhow. But I could screw them in and then back them out a full turn each side.
All right. Well, if we're gonna drill it in, we might as well record you doing it.
Well, I need to find a screwdriver to fit it.
No, I meant like to.
And I'd have to go through the house.
No, I'm talking about drilling in a hole.
Trying to start to drill another hole.
Drill in the hole and record it while you're drilling it.
It keeps dying. It looks like Mainly Woods needs new equipment.
That kind of scared me a bit.
What?
You heard that?
Yes, it's freeze cracking and warming and thawing. You know what I'm saying? It was cracking more over at that other pond. And the same amount of ice here as there was there. About a foot. Right?
It has to go. It really does look like
It gets
it's
shallower that way. Because it moves. That's open somewhere. Side. Where should I try and do it? I don't feel like dragging it way out. I can put it right in the middle of here. If you want, right here.
Would it be safe to have one that close?
Why not? Why wouldn't it be?
Thought you weren't gonna go that far. You got this. Ah, you almost had it.
It's that, I need to adjust that screw, that's what it is.
Maybe.
That's what I think it is.
Oh, you're close.
I don't think it's gonna go again.
All right.
We got 2 more holes in out of the auger after all that pulling, but it needs to be need a new carburetor kit, I guess. So I'm gonna have Uncle Jay take it and see if his friend can't fix it. Come on, we need to get 1 flag. This is like the dead cove.
This is the dead cove.
Never have any luck here. Even in the summertime. Get outside in front of the
What are you
house.
talking about? We get sunfish from perch.
Yeah.
Usually.
Well, you should be able to get them on China. Yeah. Through the ice.
Alright, that's it.
Oh, there we go. Come on. I don't see it moving. I think the wind blew it.
I don't think so. I think it was a hit. How far down were you?
Not too far.
Okay, then
No.
put it back down to where it was.
It's a bit. I think I might have had it on the wrong setting, maybe.
No, that's usually windproof. It takes something to hit it off, and that's a hair trigger too. It might
The
go
other
off
side's hair
again.
trigger.
What?
The other side's hair trigger, but we had a flag. I think the wind might have knocked it or something.
No, I don't. I think it was a flag. The bait might be too big for it. But at least we're starting to have luck.
Oh, something, I guess. Well, at least we have some action.
Yeah.
Better than no action.
It wasn't windy. It just went off.
And we got that on camera too.
Yeah. I got it. You pulling it up.
Well, we'll have some video footage. I guarantee you that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fishing. Unless it goes off again and we get a fish. Come on, fishy, fishy. Give us luck.
Next flag that goes up, you're running after it, and I'll videotape you running. Sound good?
We never had another flag. Does that have a nipple on that?
What? It's really weird. Those clouds, they have like a light cyan, like blue with like a pink on the clouds. Yeah. The sun reflective.
Red sky at night, sail is delight. Red sky in the morning, sail is big morning.
It's interesting. So like light blue, and then you get like that pinkish color on the.
I just lost a fish, Christian.
Hey, someone did. Nothing?
I lost it. I pulled it too hard. I went to go fuck with it, and there was a fish on it. It went off. So, yeah. That's two. You're the next one. Keep an eye on this one. There was a fish on it. didn't even swim away with it. It just, it's still alive though. He could come back for more.
Maybe.
That's the thing about squid fish.
Yeah, I definitely feel something.
Let it take it. And then pull it up slowly. Here, let me lay the trap down and pull it up slowly.
No, I don't feel anything on it anymore. I don't feel anything. Oh. I don't want to get my gloves all slimy.
It looks like we got a bluegill.
I think.
No, that's a yellow perch.
Perch.
Yeah, yellow perch.
Swallowed the whole thing whole. It doesn't want to open up the. Want to open up your mouth.
Well, we'll leave him on the ice.
Can you eat these?
What? No.
It doesn't want to open up its mouth. Yeah, you can have the fish. Let me see that.
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
This little sucker.
So we finally caught something with Mainly Woods Adventures. Yellow perch.
I'm gonna put him back in
No, I wouldn't. Oh well.
What?
Because he's going to bite it again. Catch it again.
Eh?
All right, go get more bait. Hurry up and get another bait. Take the ice out.
Yeah, bud. Finally got a fish. And what's weird is like the flag didn't go up.
Well, that's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. They're not out. They're just sitting there munching it down.
I just so happened to just be lucky, you know. We're checking the bait, and apparently I think we got another fish.
Oh, I think I lost it.
Did you lose
Nope.
it? Oh, here we go.
Yeah, pickerel.
Oh, better than nothing.
Yeah, get another bait. That bait's history. All right, so we got a pickerel.
All right, come on, open your mouth. Oh, there it is.
Leave that one on the ice.
Come on.
Here, let me see it.
I just need to.
Don't be afraid of it, because he's staying on the ice. Keep him on the ice. I'll get another bait. They're froze up.
Trying to adjust it, bam! Got one. Well, it looks like this is dead now. What, you reeling it in?
Hey, this is Bobby D and Red, and we want to thank you for coming along on this ice fishing adventure. And we did end up catching a yellow perch and I don't know, about a 20-inch pickerel. And thank the Lord that we blessed us with them. And brain fart. And Bandit says hi. Say hi, Bandit. Speak. Smash that like button if you like what you're seeing, and please subscribe. We need more subscribers. A lot of you don't subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. We're fully self-supporting. And we hope to see you on the next time. This is Bobby D in red.
And red. And don't forget about Bandit. Speak.